blocked. Again, that's a free pass. Well, Valdez was there. Babalik sa kanya ang bola. And pinawi niya yung the Lady Troopers. Valdez and Gumabaw for a cool smasher. 7. Tere. Atienza was there. Dito, ibibigay again kay Eliza Valdez. Gritty and persevering Army Lady Troopers. Pero bago yan, punta muna tayo. Subino with 6 points to her name. Found a way to get that across. Again, they go to Valdez.
Tried to target her with her short ball. Morado, hinatid kay Sato. Mercado was set it up for Prado. Valdez. Yes, best possible time for Gadri because they have a full power hitters. Not just yet, sabi ni Cruz, another free ball for clean line. Morado, they go to Valdez. Valdez. Yes!
Pure water defenders.
He's a rider captain with now 3 points.
Only 21 years old.
So who will she go to? Valdez with a soft touch.
Valdez sees the
Gets
goal.
that point.
Award B.
We were expecting an attack, pero Eliza hit there by Valdez.
On the right, Valdez.
Compared to 56. Para sa Motolite right now, that is top of mind for the Chefs Class. Sa left side, this is the right side for a 2-point lead.
Ooh, pero
Valdez
binawi.
off the hand of Cueva.
Of course, 5 blocked there by Sato. Classics. Valdez down the line.
Valdez over the block.
Delayed yung blockers. Eventually, Valdez was able to put that major floor defense. Morado faking that pass. Oh, that set to Sato. Delivers it to Eliza Valdez.
Clean
The
line.
court for the first time for the full smashers.
Doesn't get any easier for Chef's Classics.
Ooh, soft touch there by Valdez.
Valdez with the drop
Receiving.
shot.
In mid-air, look at this. Morado going to Valdez, faking a strong
Suspended.
attack. Oo, nabibitin niya, tapos ang ganda ng touch.
5-point lead na lang ang full smashers. Gia giving it to Mandapat for that soft touch. Pero nasalo. Ibangan. And soft touch again. Gia will be giving it to Valdez. Front court.
On the
Then
angle.
tagalit. Morado once again.
Again, tipping it over. Someone is there, Galanza. Nakabantay, block there. Ramos, denying. Soriano twice there. Soriano on the serve. Former Adamson Lady Falcon. They go to Morgan. Going cross court. Rema there, denied by Ganaban and Carlos. Back row, Valdez, picked up by Tangconce.
Valdez off the hand
No
of
one
Cueva.
inflated the 5-point lead. Let's look at Valdez wind up again. And look at the way she twisted her body.
Timeout, Motolite.
The accolades are
Yeah.
there, quite present for everyone. Galanzo there on the receive, inangat dito para kay Valdez. Valdez,
Down
money
to
beam.
the-
Let's look at that again. Yeah, she knew exactly where to put it. Challenge. Basang-basa na ni Myla. Free ball, bibigay ni Emnas. Sa kabilang panig naman, on the other side. Through the blockers to the celebration of Coach Ty Gundin. Those are pop sent by Gia Morado still.
This is probably saying, I've seen this so many times since our Ateneo technician. Passing of a Nicole Tiamzon. We can also talk about Eliza Valdez. I mean, before people would target her for services, because
Morado to Valdez. That is good for Morado. Back to Valdez. Different approach, but it's denied. We'll try one more time.
Valdez on
crafty and creative.
substitution.
She'll
Quick
find a
line,
way to
17
score.
out, 7. Gumabao in.
We'll go. Eliza.
It did not go over. Oh, yeah, no. Good call.
The points are just pouring in for both our
Oh.
teams. Nagsasagutan lang sila. Han to Ana Gupico. Tinaas ni Gia. Atienza to Valdez.